എത്തിനെ
എത്തി the problem, and if you haven't defined the whole problem, it will make assumptions and fill in those gaps, and that makes it powerful, but also can make it extremely dangerous because the assumptions that the AI make can be wrong. You get around those assumptions by being extremely descriptive in what you want the AI to do. Instead of letting the AI take control of what needs to be done, you take control of the AI by giving highly detailed descriptions, and that is the art of prompt engineering. And that is something that very few people in Sri Lanka still know. And you are very fortunate that we have Professor Roshan and Dr. Asita, who are actually leading the national initiative on prompt engineering. They're trying to train every Sri Lankan on prompt engineering, and that team is based out of Peradeniya. I think you should really leverage on that and make it mandatory. Even in our companies, our goal now is within this year, where every single staff member has to get trained on prompt engineering because it's a risk for us if they use these AI systems wrong. So it's got to become mandatory skills for just about anybody.
Deputy Vice Chancellor, Professor Sri Vijay Sundar, President of the AUP, Dr. Ramesh Anand, Chief Guest today, Dr. Himalika Mason, the General Secretary of AUP, and the members of the AUP, colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning to all of you. Dr. Ranavana took us a journey through the future. Let me take you a journey through the past related to my academic life at Peradeniya. I joined the Peradeniya University in 1965 as an undergraduate student of the Faculty of Science. In my
Thank you, sir. Receive a certificate as well as a financial award here. And the second scholarship is Professor B.L.T. De Silva Memorial Scholarship goes to M.D.R.T.I. Molly Goddard from the Faculty of Science. Professor H.W. Dyer Scholarship goes to LBWW Vikramasuriya from Faculty of Science. To the Faculty of Science. This is for the first year examination batch top. 2 students are recognized here. NN Rajamantri. NC Udayangana. The second set is again for the Faculty of Science. Eramudugolla Dunavila Scholarship. The students who obtained the highest marks for mathematics at the first year examination, 3 students, Charita J. Abesekara, S.H. Koswatta, W.E.G.M.H. Velagedara, The third set is again for the Faculty of Science, 1980-81 Science Faculty Batch Scholarship. The outstanding performer of successful completion of the first year examination in Physical Science. 2 students are recognized, N. Rajamantri, NC Udayangana. The next scholarship Dr. Priyanthi Jayawardena Scholarship for the outstanding performance C. Hera. C.W. Jayasekara Memorial Scholarship for the outstanding performance on successful completion of second year examination for the Faculty of Science, Isuru Sandhi. And he has won another one, Daminda Aberatna Scholarship, the most deserving student on completion of the second year examination based on his performance in the second year, again Isuru Sandhi. The next set is for the management students. The same student has won 2 scholarships, W. Kumarajiva Memorial Scholarship as well as the Dhammika Gunaratna Memorial Scholarship goes to S.T. Vitanachi.
Vice Chancellor at this AGM. Your presence today is a great honor to us. We are honored to have one of our distinguished alumni as the chief guest, Dr. Ramesh Ranwana. We are grateful to you for accepting our invitation and gracing the occasion. Thank you for sharing your valuable insights and experience with us. Your presence has enriched this event and left a lasting impact on all of us. Special words of appreciation go to distinguished member designated today, Dr. Lakshman Samayakar,
Drawing the third consolation prize of an AUP umbrella. Right, Deputy Vice Chancellor, sir, please. Yeah. Okay. Right. Okay. Thank you so much. Oh wow. Okay, congratulations. What's your name, sir? Upul. So it is won by Mr. Upul. Okay, right. So that's a para tie. Congratulations. Okay. So now we are going for the three main prizes. Vice Chancellor sir is here. I think Bandaranaika. 96-97 batch. Okay. So congratulations, Pradeepa. Lucky alumnus number 60. 60.